Welcome to the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 review. Experience the ultimate blend of style, efficiency, and innovation. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 is redefining the compact hatchback experience. In this presentation, we'll take you through the Alto K10's sleek exterior design, spacious interior features, advanced technology, and impressive performance capabilities. Get ready to unleash the ultimate city driving experience. Exterior design. The 2025 Alto K10 boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design featuring new LED headlights with daytime running lights, chrome-plated grille, 15-inch alloy wheels, power folding exterior mirrors, LED fog lights, rear spoiler. Its sleek lines and agile stance command attention on the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Alto K10 offers premium fabric-appointed seating for 5 passengers, heated front seats, 8-inch touchscreen display, Suzuki Connect infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual air conditioning, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include Suzuki Safety Package, Anti-Lock Braking System ABS, Electronic Brake Force Distribution EBD, a rear view camera, driver airbag, passenger airbag, powertrain and performance. The 2025 Alto K10 boasts 1.0L petrol engine, 67 HP, 90 lb-ft torque. 1.2L petrol engine, 83 HP, 113 lb-ft torque. 5-speed manual transmission. Automated manual transmission AMT. Front-wheel drive system. Performance capabilities. With its advanced suspension system. Electronic stability control. The Alto K10 delivers exceptional city driving capabilities. Fuel efficiency up to 24.7 kml. Top speed 150 km/h. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 is available in 5 trim levels. LXi starting at Rs 4.45 lakhs. VXi starting at Rs 5.15 lakhs. ZXi starting at Rs 5.65 lakhs. EXi starting at Rs 5.95 lakhs. ZXi starting at Rs 6.45 lakhs. Each trim offers unique features and upgrades to suit various driving needs.